Welcome to the Carbonite Jedi, where the Force will be with you always. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you which of the Black Series characters won the competition. I had 3 of them up for vote, and we had 55 people, I think. Let's see. Where are you? Yes, it was 55 people. I had C-3PO, I had a Tusken Raider, and I had Grand Moff Tarkin. So it was super close. Out of all of those, out of the 55, Grand Moff Tarkin came in last at 25%. C-3PO came in at 36%, and the Tusken Raider came in at 38%. So the Tusken Raider won by 2%. Since it was such a close race, I have decided to go ahead and unbox the Tusken Raider and C-3PO. Sorry, Moff Tarkin. Wah wah. But anywho, yeah, so I'll be doing that. Let me show you what it is. It says 50 Lucasfilm Limited, and it says Star Wars Black Series Tusken Raider, and it also says fearsome desert savages. Tusken Raiders are the foremost reason Tatooine colonists do not wander far from their isolated communities. And here is C-3PO, Mr. Talkative himself. This does not have the Lucasfilm logo on it. It says, it just gives the number of what this one is. So C-3PO, and it's the Black Series also. And it says C-3PO is a droid programmed for etiquette and protocol. Over the years, he was involved in some of the galaxy's most thrilling battles and is fluent in more than 7 million forms of communication. Well, I know that he is fluent in over 9 million forms of communication because he said so in Star Wars. This is wrong. Well, technically, it's not wrong because it said over 7 million, but you know, 2 million's kind of a long stretch. All right, I'm going to open this up and we will see these action figures put into their poses. I will be right back with some movie magic. Well, actually I haven't put them in the poses yet because I haven't even taken them out of the box. So here's the Tusken Raider. These are a lot easier, I think, than the, well, maybe not. Spoke too soon. There. So here's his backside, kind of shrunk up, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, actually, he has 2 weapons, and 3 of these can go into here, into his Vanta stick, I think it's called. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Let's get his rifle out. This is kind of tough. There it goes. Alright. And then we will get, oh man, they have them tied up in the back with rubber bands or something. It's a form of torture. Oops. Alright. So the head around his waist and his feet, these are little rubber bands. But we're going to get him set up right there. Alright. That's him. Goodness. There he is, standing on his own. Well, come on, you can do it. Stop falling backwards. N4s. Come on, you can walk on sand. Let's do this. Alright, there he is. And now I will open up, whoops, C3PO. And I will put these others in, after I open up C3PO, I will pause and put them up into their poses. So here's C3PO. And C3PO is nothing, just himself. Himself and his silver leg. Can you see his silver leg? Alright, come on, silver leg. You can do it. Well, I guess he's kind of in his pose already. Huh. You malfunctioning piece of rubbish. If I had R2, you could like kick him. Alright, so I will put these in better poses and I will be right back. Hold on. Alright, as you can see, I have the Tusken Raider in his classic pose with the stick, I think it's called a bantha stick, above his head, and he has this tip in there. It has two other tips that you can put in there. I don't know if you can see that. Boop. And then he has his long-range rifle that he shoots at pod racers. Anything else he wants to shoot at. So that is the Tusken Raider. He's about to slam his stick on Luke Skywalker. And then here is C3PO. He didn't really have any things, so I just put him in a classic C3PO pose when he's like walking. So I am going to put them into the cabinet. I have all my other Black Series action figures in, and I will show you. Give me 1 second. Be right back. Alright, so there we see C3PO next to Chewbacca, Luke Skywalker from Hoth, Lando Calrissian, Princess Leia and her Ewok, and then the Carbonite Han Solo. We have the AT-AT driver, we have Admiral Piet, Darth Vader, the Emperor, and then we have all of the scum and bounty hunters down here, the Jawas, Ponda Baba, Baby, Figure and Dan, and all the rest. And there is the Tusken Raider with his bantha stick up in the air, hollering at everybody. And I put his rifle down here in case he sees a pod racer or something. And that's it. And there's me. Well, that's it for the unboxing. Go down below and comment on which one you like the most, C3PO or the Tusken Raider. I mean, C3PO is cool with the silver leg and stuff, but the Tusken Raider you could put more into, you know, more poses, and he looked pretty fierce. I will be putting out a poll again. This time, I'm going to have 4 characters. I have Grand Moff Tarkin again, since he didn't win. I have Han Solo in his Bespin outfit. Han Solo. I have the Royal Guard from Return of the Jedi. And I also have Lando Calrissian in his Skiff Guard outfit from Return of the Jedi. So, y'all comment down below and let me know. And also, if you have any ideas that you'd like me to do a video on, because lately I've been doing like videos on articles that have come out talking about, you know, Mark Hamill and is Luke Skywalker going to be, you know, any of the more new Star Wars movies, or, you know, what his thoughts are. I found a whole bunch of stuff on Legends, video or Legend articles that I think I might do some on. But I continue to do shorts, and if you will comment below and let me know also what you like about this channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And anytime you comment and you subscribe and you like, hit the thumbs up, it really helps the channel and it gets more people to be able to view my content. So thank you for watching, and may the Force be with you always. Have a wonderful day.